Today's word is flavonoid. It means a diverse group of plant chemicals, phytonutrients, found in almost all fruits and vegetables, known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory health benefits. Here are two examples using this word. Berries are rich in flavonoids, which are linked to improved brain health. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids that can be beneficial for heart health. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are phytonutrient, plant compound, bioflavonoid. Antonyms are toxin, processed ingredient, additive. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.